This is Rachel Bixel, my Enhancement 2 video. Here's my client's table that's empty, and I'll insert what I have for the first question. And I'll go back to the table, and here's the information, client 1. So for number 2, I'm going to update the client level to a 3.
Under each comment, you should see a little window that says...
Okay, and now it's a level 3. Now I'm going to go to the inventory table, and we're going to edit the nylon rope every time there's a nylon rope, and every time it says rope, nylon rope, change that, but I will keep the nylon right here, and I'll do that. Okay, now it's climbing rope, and the nylon stays. Now I'm going to do the number 4 question, and I'm going to select all the items that are miscellaneous. And there are the 7 items that I did. Now I'm going to delete, the last question. And just to show you that I had it before I did it, I'm going to be deleting this one, the number 7.
I got the ones that you sent.
And now it is deleted. And lastly, I'm going to be testing my connection. So here's the page running properly, and then here's the page with an error, and then there's my error page, and that's my Enhancement 2 video.